guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giselle and I'll be showing you guys today how to do a full service treatment on my client here, Richie. So Richie hasn't had his hair washed or treated in like a few months because of the corona situation. So today I'll be showing you guys how I'll be doing a detox on him, a full service. I started by washing his hair. As you can see, I'm using the Taliah Waajid stimulating and clarifying shampoo. Now this shampoo, it helps remove a lot of dirt and built up on the hair. But sometimes, we need to just give a little deeper detox in the hair. And I'll be showing you guys that service today that I'm doing on Richie's hair. So I always start off by giving his hair like about 2 or 3 shampoos to loosen up the dirt on his hair and the scalp before I start doing the detox. This is one of the best, most relaxing part of getting your hair done, just having it shampoo. So let's take a look at how I'll be doing that treatment for Richie today. As you can see, I'm pouring a little bit of the apple cider vinegar. I like to use the Bratz brand because it's a little more natural and less harsh on the hair. I'm pouring a little bit, well, not quite a little bit, but some baking soda, a little bit of lemon juice. This helps to soften and remove some of the buildup on the hair. Buildup could be caused from a lot of stuff, which could be sweat, which could be too much product usage. Anything could cause buildup on locks. So I'm pouring it onto the scalp to help loosen up, some of the dirt from the hair. And I'm using my fingers to actually rub and remove some of the buildup, which could be hard from removing from the locks. I take my time and go through this procedure to help really remove most of the dirt and buildup on his hair. So it's kind of a relaxing treatment because the water is like lukewarm or a little bit on the warmer side. This helps lifts all the dirt and buildup off of his hair. So let's take a look at how we do that procedure. So during this time of the appointment, as you can see, we love catching up on anything we missed out on talking about, whether it be kids, whether it be our job or lifestyle, or whatever it may be. This is so cool when I haven't seen my customers in a little while due to the pandemic. We miss each other. We talk anything possible, whether it be work environment or, bettering ourselves from day-to-day aspect in life. So I'm still here removing all the dirt because I'm very particular with my customers. I just love seeing their hair clean and making sure they leave with a good service. I really put my all in everything I do. And this is why I started my YouTube channel, to really educate people from behind the chair instead of like being someone who does their own hair. I really want to educate my followers or customers or whoever it may be, like just learning how to maintain your hair for yourself, or whether you want to start this as a business or a little hustle on the side, it's very close to my heart, and that's why I take very importance in doing my customers here. So as you can see, I'm showing you guys, a little insight on what the water looks like and how clean his hair is after I tried removing most of the buildup, which was caused by, again, anything possible. Soap, too much oils, too much product. After this, I rinse his hair. I give him another relaxing moisturizing shampoo to put back in some of the moisture which was removed from doing the apple cider vinegar detox on his locks. So I take my time, I wash the entire lock from the scalp to the ends. I give him a nice massage, I stimulate his scalp, all of that. So let's continue looking at that. As you can see, Richie's hair is all ready to get his full retwist, and it's retwist time, so let's check it out. I love using the comb for a particular reason, to give me a clean part. My fingers, I like using it with the hair to give me that smooth, sleek finish. Some of the products I use to twist are like the Taliah Waajid lock it up, or the tight hole. I try not to use too much because too much of anything would give you product built up. So some of the oils that I use, I make myself with avocado, a little bit of castor oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, sometimes sunflower oil, and a little bit of essential oil. I use this depending on my client's need. So I take my time, I go through the hair, I twist the hair, and later on in the video, you guys will see me doing a 2-strand twist. Also, don't forget to please share my video if you guys want to see more tutorial of how I do locks behind the chair of Jstyles. I'll be showing you little insights on my techniques and what I do, what I use to have a retwist done. So like, comment, and let me know some of the new stuff that you guys would like to see in my video. So let's continue taking a look at how I retwist his hair. As you can see, I started doing a 2-strand twist on Richie's hair. Particularly when you're doing a 2-strand twist, if you are a right hander or you twist to the right side of the hair, you try to do the rope twist to the left side of the hair. So this way the hair locks into place. This style is very versatile because it could be held in for a long time. Some people love it because of their active lifestyle, because it's a style that would keep them until they're ready to get their next twist done. After removed from the hair, it leaves the hair in a crinkle, nice curly pattern. So most guys really love it because it's a very elegant style, and you could get like, it's, I call it the two in one or the three in one style for the locks. I have known Richie for like almost, let's say, over 10 years. Wow. And you can see the length of his hair. His rope twists are really long. He always admits to me that he never lets anyone but his wife touch his hair other than me. And we could always have a fun joke, like his wife always let him know, like, oh, go to Janelle, let her hook you up with your hair. We have these fun jokes like, okay, he don't make no one else touch his hair. So Richie had an undercut, so we had to tuck in the sides, which made it look a little bit on the tight side, but it was very good. He likes it to last, so he told me make sure it's in place. So you could see roping his hair going all the way down, and we just catching up, enjoying some jokes, talking productive conversations on how to build and promote each other. It's always a fun day at Jstyles Unique Touch Salon. As we are on the last couple of rope twists to the top, just finishing up, making sure everything is neat and nice. Um, I like to take my time and make sure he's comfortable. Nothing is too tight, nothing is loose. Tuck all my rubber bands in at the end. One thing you should always educate your clients or yourself about is making sure the rubber bands is not too snug on the hair, and how the customers are removing the rubber bands. So I give him a nice fish tail to the ends of the locks, and thank you for watching. See you soon.